today, actually. So it's okay for her to say what she wants to say. This is our house today. Thank you so much.
So, which means it's not for you, DPM. Okay, thank you.
No, this is fundraising.
Yes.
She's the one in charge today.
You're right. Thank you, and I like that, JC. Thank you so much. You're good. Okay. Madi, the floor is for you.
Thank you.
You want to speak to Monetis?
Yes. Thank you, Honorable Patricia. Thank you, Honorable Christopher. Thank you all. Thank you, everyone, and I welcome you to this another blessed Saturday fundraising for the United States of Biafra. Honorable Patricia, the house belongs to all of us. The moment this stage is open, it is Biafra house, and we all partake in it. Thank you. I welcome each and every one of you one more time. We have a lot going on today, so there's going to be a lot of talking, and then I'm going to chip in and jump in when necessary. So I'm not going to waste much time. I'm going to introduce to you our indefatigable, indomitable, our beautiful daughter, Her Excellency, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, the acting Prime Minister, because she is in the state of our Prime Minister. The Deputy Prime Minister and the Chief of Staff of the United States of Biafra. I'm not going to waste any time in welcoming you so that we can shoot on. That's a lot for us to do today. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Famdi. Thank you so much. Thank you, Honorable Patricia. Thank you, Honorable Christopher. Thank you. I know Mouthpiece is here.
Mouthpiece, yeah.
All right.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay.
Your Excellency, everyone.
Yeah. Thank you so much, all Biafrans that are here present. I can see Dr. Mbodile, why are you wearing the same dress? I was looking at that. That's so beautiful. Famdi, I wonder what happened to you.
I don't know. I forgot it.
I almost forgot.
I saw yours and then I said, oh my goodness. Oops.
Yeah. But Biafrans, you can see our beautiful Jessie. Dr. Francesca and I are wearing that. You see how beautiful? Oh my goodness!
And the star in the sun in the middle.
Yeah. The sun, right? Yeah. That looks so beautiful. Thanks to our sports, the United States of Biafra Sports Department. They are doing a great job in giving us what we need. Again, I welcome everyone here today. My name is Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, the Deputy Prime Minister, Chief of Staff to the United States of Biafra government. I welcome all of you. I welcome all the cabinet members, USD cabinet members that are working day and night behind the scenes to ensure that our country is fully protected, our new nation is one of the best in the world. That is what we have pledged, and that is exactly what we are doing. So I thank all the cabinet members here present at this fundraising. I want to also use this opportunity to remember our leader, Onyedu Nnamdi Kanu, who is being incarcerated by the Nigerian state. We know he's coming out, and we know he's going to be quick. He has suffered enough. The expectation of over 50 million Biafrans that voted during the referendum to exit Nigeria is that Onyedu Nnamdi Kanu is left alone. Let him be. 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 Let him Because what we do, the restoration of our nation, the building of our nation, is not about any individual. It is about a people that has taken their freedom in their hand. Nobody can tamper with that. The freedom of Biafra is not about an individual. It's not about Onyedu Nnamdi Kanu. It's not about our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. It's not about Dr. Orabueze. It's not about anybody. It is about the people that have spoken. And that is the way it's going to be. So we want to use this opportunity to appreciate and cherish him and to let him know that we are here for him. That which he's sick, we already got. There's nothing anybody can do about that. We also want to use this opportunity to remember our Prime Minister, His Excellency, Simon Ekpa, who at this time is still being held by Finland authorities under Alexander Stubb. We want to thank him for his resoluteness. We want to thank you, our Prime Minister, for what you do to bring this journey to where we are today. You are the reason for the season, and there's nothing anyone can do about that. Do not be troubled, do not be worried, for that which you seek we already got. We are already building our nation peacefully, quietly, gently, regardless of what the enemies are doing. We appreciate you, we honor you for what you do to bring us to where we are today. Thank you so much. I thank all the cabinet members. I thank all the heads of missions of different countries across the world. I thank the United States of Biafra Defense Forces, the United States of Biafra Liberation Army, the United States of Biafra Air Force and Navy, the United States of Biafra Police. And I thank all the leaders in these different groups that are working day and night to ensure that we build one of the best countries in the world with one of the strongest military in the world, in Africa. That is exactly our agenda. A military that is going to be one of the highest disciplined military in the world, with all the international, local standard, respecting all the international laws, all the humanitarian laws. That is the kind of military the United States of Biafra government is building. We thank all the commanders in the 40 states of Biafra, in the 15 counties, in the district and the wards. We thank all the Biafra military that are protecting our land from the reintegrated terrorists hired by the Nigerian state, recruited by the Nigerian state, giving AK-47 to kill our people. We thank you for defending our land. We thank you for defending our new nation. We will continue to defend our nation. It is a promise. Nigeria has been classified as one of the most dangerous places in the world for Christians to live. Biafrans are mostly Christians, and we do not want to cohabit with reintegrated terrorists, which is a policy of the Nigerian government, which is a policy of Tinubu and Christopher Musa to reintegrate non-terrorists from Boko Haram, ISIS, ISWAP into the Nigerian state. That is what Biafrans have refused to do. That is why we've declared our nation. We redeclared Biafra. Remember, Biafra was a nation between 1967 and 1970. All that existed at that period is what we are reactivating. And we are very, very happy, very, very successful in the support we are getting from our allies. I thank all Biafrans that are listening. I thank all the 40 state governors that are working daily to protect their nation, to protect their state in Biafra land, with their commissioners, with all you do, with your commanders, with your police. Thank you so much. Thank you for not being distracted by those paid by the Nigerian state to disturb our work. I thank you for your commitment. I thank you for your resilience. I thank you for knowing what Onyedu Nnamdi Kanu wanted, the beautiful country that he aspired for, and what our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa wanted, the beautiful nation he aspired for, and what I currently do. Minister, what are they doing? Who are they working for? That is the question. Biafrans are getting the answers at this period. And I'm very, very happy. This is a defining moment to ensure that Biafrans are focused on the kind of country and the kind of leadership, the kind of military our wanted to build, our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa wanted to build. That is exactly what the United States of Biafra government is building at this point. Anything outside of this is being manipulated by the Nigerian state. No Biafran should be distracted. There is only one government, only one continuum. Anything outside that is a distraction by the Nigerian state, and we will never allow that. So I thank all the state governors and the commissioners for what they do. I thank all the heads of missions, our Foreign Affairs Department. You're doing a great job. I thank all the different heads, stakeholders, the traditional rulers in Biafra land, the Igwes, the chiefs, those that have keyed in to build one of the best countries in the world, the religious leaders that are reaching out every day, keying in to that continuum led by our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. I thank you so much for what you do. I want to also use this opportunity to let Biafrans know that the plan of the Nigerian state has failed. Nigeria is a failed state. There are no two ways, no question about that. All this meandering, all these things you see them doing, Christopher Musa coming out to announce, all these are distractions. And the United States of Biafra people will continue to protect our land. We will not be distracted by any move by the Nigerian state. The United States of Biafra was declared as a sovereign state on November 29, 2024 in Lahti, Finland. We have over 1,000 Biafrans gathered from all over the world to come and declare their independence. We declare the Republic of Biafra in the name United States of Biafra. That is exactly what we have right now. That is what we are protecting right now. Anything outside this is fraudulent. Anything outside this are the paid agents that are Biafrans used by the Nigerian state to distract the restoration and the full protection of the United States of Biafra. And I'm very, very happy. At least 98% of Biafrans have figured these distractors out, and they are dealing with them in their own way, in the manner and in the language that they do understood. So thank you so much, Biafrans, for taking this bull by the horn and taking your freedom in your hand. Nobody will do that for us. Not even the United Nations, not even the African Union, not even, none. We are the one that will take our land. We are the one that will drive the reintegrated terrorists wearing Nigerian military and police uniform inside Biafra land. We are the one that will make them leave. We have written to them to live peacefully. We have written to them that we are an independent nation. Currently, Nigeria state is occupying a foreign land, and we will do everything possible within the legal means of a sovereign state to ensure that we protect our land and we protect our people. That is what we will continue to do. I want to quickly bring to the attention of Biafrans, we need the funds. Today is fundraising, no matter how small, no matter how little, whatever you have, please continue to support the building of our new nation and to help thousands of innocent Biafrans that Nigerian state, Tinubu and Christopher Musa have locked up in different prisons, in different cells, in different DSS dungeons across Nigeria and across Biafra land, living orphans, thousands of orphans in Biafra land without mothers, without fathers. This fundraising is part of what we do to raise the money to help these innocent young kids in Biafra land, innocent women whom the Nigerian state have taken away their husbands, their brothers, their sisters, for no crime, just because they are Biafrans. I want to let the world know thousands of innocent Biafrans are languishing in different cells, in different prisons, in DSS dungeons across Nigeria state, just because they are Biafrans. Tinubu and Christopher Musa pick them up. There is a standing order. Anybody that is a Biafran, pick them up, lock them up, label them terrorists, label them terrorist financiers, because that is the only language they use to intimidate, to kill, and maim innocent Biafrans that do not want to live in a country with reintegrated terrorists. That is their only crime. That is why many of our sons and daughters, mothers and fathers are locked up by Nigerian state, headed by Tinubu and Christopher Musa, the defense chief. That is all they do. We must continue to do this fundraising to help the families of these innocent Biafrans that are locked up in different cells across Nigeria and across Biafra land by Tinubu and Christopher Musa and the delegitimized governors who are aiding them, like Soludo, Hope Uzodinma, Mba, Oti, and the rest of them, Ebonyi State Governor. They are all of them, they are in the same boat. They are in the same ship. They are all part of this criminality. They are part of this killing of innocent Biafrans. And we will never allow that to continue unabated. We must defend our people as a free nation, as a sovereign nation. We will put every policy in place in our land to ensure that these criminals that take away our young men and women, lock them up in different DSS dungeons and cells across Nigeria, Biafra land, we will stop them. We will ensure things like this does not continue. And I want to use this opportunity to tell Tinubu and Christopher Musa to let go of innocent Biafrans you lock up in cells, in different jails across the whole Nigeria and across Biafra land. Let them go. They've not committed any crime. Many of them are languishing in those jails for nothing, just because they are Biafrans. You pick them up, you lock them up, just as you lock our leader, Onyendu Nnamdi Kanu, up. He has not done anything except let my people go. We need our freedom. We do not want to live in a country where Christians are murdered by their thousands every month, every year, buried in mass graves. Christians in Nigeria are begging to leave. They are begging to leave. Biafrans are begging to leave, but not anymore. We must protect our people. So let them go. Let Biafrans across the cells, the jails that you locked up, Tinubu and Christopher Musa, allow Biafrans to go. Allow them to go. All they ask for is they want Biafra. You pick them up. You lock them up in DSS dungeons. Their family members go there to inquire about them. You have instructed. It's a standing order. You don't give any information about any Biafran that is locked up. What kind of country is that? So Nigeria is already a failed state, and we're not even here to discuss that, because that is just a forgotten situation. All we are saying is that as a sovereign state, Nigeria, you must leave Biafra land. We will make you leave our land. All of you. Because you cannot be in a sovereign state and continue to kill their people, milk our oil reserves, and use that to kill our people. So as we speak, Nigeria is currently occupying a foreign land, which is the United States of Biafra land. Tinubu and Christopher Musa, you must instruct your men to leave Biafra land, because we have written you peacefully. That is the expectation, that you do that. If you don't do that, we will protect our land. Biafrans know that as a nation, we allow Biafrans to express their mind freely. We allow Biafrans to talk. We allow Biafrans to pass information. We encourage freedom of information, freedom of communication, freedom of association, because we are building one of the best countries in the world. What the United States of Biafra government will not allow is when people